So we're going to talk a little bit about how to do the hair. And depending on how you have your hair fixed for your model, if it's long down and straight or if it's short cropped or whatever, you want to pick a family of colors. Like I'm going to do hers is kind of almost a dark brown to black tone. And I'm just going to, working with the brown right now, I'm just going to kind of put in some lines. I would work primarily in line work with the hair. And I now have a black, and I'm going to do some hard pressed lines with the black. She's got hers kind of tied up on the side here. So I'm going to kind of keep it in lines. And then I've got a light gray. Now I know she doesn't have gray hair, but this is going to help to bring out kind of a highlight so it can make her hair look a little bit shiny. Just going to add a little bit of black to the root area where it would be a little bit darker. All right. So there, her hair's kind of in place. You can see she's got a little bit of shine to it, a nice healthy look for her hair.